This might just be one of the wildest off-road motorhomes coming out of China. With a price tag of around $45,000, it's packed with awesome features, including an outdoor kitchen and a convertible dinette. But could this be a serious contender against the legendary Earth Roamer? Let's dive in and find out. At first glance, this motorhome stands out with its solid and bold design. The overcab bunk adds to its powerful look, hinting that it's built to tackle even the toughest off-road adventures. Plus, the seamless high-design bonnet gives it an extra touch of style. Changan offers different models of the Feng Jing motorhome, and in today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Changan View RV. The key differences between the models mostly come down to appliance placement and slight variations in dimensions. Right up front, the first thing you'll notice is the bold Changan logo on the overcab bunk section, a statement of quality from a well-respected brand. The windshield strikes a perfect balance, neither too large nor too small, while the beautifully arranged headlights and additional lights enhance the vehicle's rugged look. Moving to the passenger side, you'll find the entry door to the driver's cabin, a convenient step for easy access and, of course, a side mirror for visibility. But what really stands out are the RV's large tires, designed to inspire confidence on rough terrain. Adding to that, the impressive 8.4-inch ground clearance ensures you can tackle off-road adventures without a second thought. Moving forward, we come across the main entry door, which looks just right. Not too wide, not too narrow, but perfectly sized for easy access. Plus, it comes with some special features that I'll dive into later. But for now, let's keep exploring. Right next to the entry door, we have our first standout feature, the Changan View RV's exterior kitchen. This compact yet practical setup is built on a pull-out tray, featuring a countertop and underneath a fold-out section that reveals a single-burner cooktop and a small storage compartment. This outdoor kitchen is perfect for cooking with friends without having to step inside the motorhome. But that's just the beginning. Next to the exterior kitchen is a larger compartment housing an extendable faucet, additional kitchen essentials, and a power outlet where you can plug in speakers, lights, or anything else to enhance your camping experience. Above these compartments, a large window provides extra ventilation and natural light. Moving further back, you'll find a small compartment that holds a removable waste container for the toilet, designed for easy transport and disposal. Another exciting feature is the motorhome's large powered awning. Whether you need shade on a hot summer day or shelter from the rain, this awning extends at the push of a button from the control panel inside. It also includes two sturdy support pillars for extra stability in windy conditions. The Changan RV truck measures 19.6 feet in length and 7.11 feet in width, making it more compact than most Class C motorhomes. However, with all these incredible features, size is hardly an issue. At the back, the design is simple yet well thought out. Multiple lights are strategically placed for visibility, and a large storage compartment offers ample space for everything from board games to heavy tools. A spare tire is also mounted at the rear for emergencies. One small but crucial feature is the leveling stands, which provide extra stability when parked on uneven ground. Additionally, a rear-view camera enhances security and can also assist while driving. Heading back towards the cab area, you'll find the bunk bed, which is surprisingly spacious and well lit. A foldable smart TV is mounted right at the start of the bunk, so you can enjoy your favorite movies and shows while lounging in bed. Although it's labeled as a single bed, it's roomy enough to accommodate two people comfortably. With windows on both sides and a skylight above, you'll have plenty of natural light and ventilation. Plus, for added privacy, there are curtains to block out the outside world when needed. Finally, let's take a look at the driver's cabin, which is far more modern and stylish than you might expect. It boasts a sleek, ergonomic steering wheel, a futuristic dashboard with a navigation monitor and control panel, comfortable, high-end driver and passenger seats, and convenient storage space for your phone and essentials. So, how does the Changan View RV compare to the new Earth Roamer LTX? While there's a significant price and quality difference, the Changan RV delivers an impressive set of features at a fraction of the cost. If you're looking for an affordable, well-equipped off-road motorhome, this might just be one of the best options on the market right now. What do you think? Would you take this RV on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments.